Hey you guys, this is Panda Express Project here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am doing the Subispeed F1 foglet. I got a little too excited. I've been waiting this all week, and of course I didn't do a little unboxing video, but you can see. Anyway, I am installing this here into that my red WRX. Now I already removed the little cover, and then I already removed the 4 pop clips underneath of it. And now, when I ordered the fog light, I also ordered the quick harness, which is right about. Hold on, let me pull this thing. Oh crap! So I ordered the Subispeed quick harness, quick connect harness. So that's right there. Excuse my wiring. I'm a professional. So anyway, so now's that. The Subispeed there. The F1 fog light I got is the clear glass with the blacked out back. That's the option I went for because I'm trying to go a little incognito a little bit and only want it to turn on when I want to. Anyway, well, shout out for Subispeed for the quick delivery, and I've been waiting for this for a long time, and finally it went on sale and I jumped on it. This is not more of an installation video, so I'm just gonna install it off camera and then show you what after it looks like.
As good as the day I met you, I forget just why I left you. I was insane.
Alright, the F1 fog light is installed. Everything's working properly. Though I wish it works during the daytime, but I'm not really worried about that. Anyway, everything looks good. Everything's bolted down, everything's clipped. Now, when you guys do wire it, I'd also advise you, when you pop this rubber piece right there, this rubber piece right there, cut a hole through it and you reuse it as a grommet for these wires. You don't want them to rub on this side here because it is metal and it will cut through this wire over time. So I highly suggest you do that. So it'll probably save you a lot of time and a lot of electrical issues. Don't mind the junk in my trunk because I have a lot of stuff going on. I'll link in the description of all the parts I bought. Ooh, since we're in my trunk, this will be going on next. This is the Vortex Generator that I got with including the F1 fog light and of course my lip kit. However, the lip kit's not here. It's actually at my work because it was too big for me to carry it home. And of course you can see a lot of junk in the trunk. Anyway, so here is my Subispeed OLM Vortex Generator. This is the shark fin. This is the version 2. I mean, not version 2, version 1. This is the shark fin. There's a version 2 which is a lot more curved. Now I got the Type A due to the fact that my shark fin is about 8.5 inches. For anyone who's ordering one of these from Subispeed, make sure you check the length of your shark fins because that does make a difference. I heard the 18 and above and the one with the Starlink has a 9.5 inch shark fin. Mine is an 8.5 because I don't have the Starlink. So before you get one of this, I advise you measure your shark fin antenna just to be sure. Mine's 8.5. So this is the Type A version. This is the Type A version 1. Just be careful. Just a heads up. So anyway, I do have my new wheels for this vehicle. However, due to the weather and still cold and I don't have tires for it, that'll be a later date. I already have the wheel. It's just not mounted with tire or anything, so I'll hold on for that later. This one here, once the weather is warmer, I'll put the Vortex Generator and the Subispeed HT Auto lip kit. Now, I will link in the description where I got all my stuff. I also will link the description how do you install one of this. Now I do have to do a little fiddling with it, but you know, you'll figure it out. And for all the stuff I have in here, I will link all this description of all the parts I bought. I also will link in the description of all the installation video, like the Vortex Generator, the lip kit, and also the F1 fog light. Subispeed has all that video on there online, even on your YouTube. I will link them all on below. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. And also, if it would be a great favor, leave a comment of what you think. And then please subscribe for more videos. Peace.